it's a phone system for trucking. We focus on team messaging. We focus on the logistics industry, specifically fleets. At the end of the day, it's like Google Meets. If Google Meets was built for the trucking industry.
What were you guys using for signatures, or were you using anything before Firma?
So we built our own very basic thing. Our industry is very cheap. The margins are extremely tight, right? Extremely tight margins for our customers. And so the idea that PandaDoc or demands or whatever these providers for API access, it's an incredible price point for a company like us to pay, and then they demand something like $2 an envelope, which is it's just a non-starter, right? And so we built our own very poorly supported solution. I don't want to be doing that. That's not our core competency. So when I found your system, super excited. Very straightforward pricing. Very clear, kind of interaction points. APIs are clear, very straightforward. The API keys are easy to get. I was super impressed by the kind of the segmentation of workspaces, right? Basically, being able to unify the tool chain into our onboarding flow is huge. Being able to pull this in and reduce the onboarding time for that workflow has been it's a real lifesaver. I was extremely impressed by the onboarding flow. Everything is accessible, clear. The API keys just appeared. There's no. I was super impressed just by the cleanliness of the process and the simplicity of it. So and it's it's very clear what to do, how to manage it. APIs are super accessible. So it's clearly was built with kind of that. It feels like it was built for the developer as opposed to kind of an afterthought and stitched together. Especially nowadays, being able to build a fair, I would call it fair pricing. I mean, honestly, you guys are pretty cheap. Fair pricing, affordable solution on a small team, right? You can eat DocuSign's lunch, frankly.